Good morning, students. Last time we have discussed this topic, guided and unguided medium. In this I have told that what is guided. Guided means when we are connecting the computers on computer network through wires. That is a guided medium. Unguided means when we are connecting the computers through infrared or the radio or the microwave technology, that is called unguided. Means wireless. Guided means through cables, unguided means through wireless. Today we will discuss the topic topology. We will discuss the topic topology. What is topology? First of all, understand this, or the computer topology. Topology means the arrangement or the layout of nodes in a network is called network topology. Means how we are connecting the computers with each other. Like in computer lab, you have seen number of computers are placed like 40 in each lab, and how we are connecting those computers with the server, that is called topology. Basically it is of two types. There are broadly of two types topologies: broadcast and point to point. In broadcast, when one node is sending the signals, all are receiving, but in point to point, one node is the sender node, other node is the receiver node. One is sending the signals or the data, other is receiving the signal or the data. Next, there are the types of topologies. Understand this carefully. First of all, bus topology. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected. See the diagram, look at diagram. All the nodes are connected using a single long cable. This cable is called the backbone cable. It connects all the clients. In this, a message sent by one is received by all the devices connected to backbone cable. Look at the diagram carefully. In a single way, all the clients are attached with each other. Next we will discuss about the ring topology. First of all, look at its diagram. Client A, B, C, D and E are attached in the form of a circle. So half of the things maybe it will be clear from the diagram. In ring topology, all the devices are attached through a cable in the form of a ring, as shown in the diagram. The message to be communicated is transmitted in one direction, thereby relaying the message to the intended recipient. Addition and deletion of devices and fault detection and isolation is easy. When there is a fault come in the network, it is very easily we can remove the fault. However, the topology suffers from the limitation of a single point failure, leading to disruption of entire network. Look at its diagram again. In this, in the form of a circle, in the form of a ring, computers are attached with each other. Next we have star topology. In star topology, first of all, look at its diagram, then half of the things will clear. Computers are attached, clients are attached in the form of a star through a server or the hub or the switch. This we will discuss later, hub or switch. In the next one or two topics it will come. Now star topology. In star topology, all the devices are connected to the central controller called hub, as shown in the diagram. With hub, all the nodes, clients, workstations are attached. Communication between any two devices takes place through the hub, responsible for relaying messages. So hub is responsible or all the signals or the data which all the nodes are sending. However, it requires more cabling as compared to bus or ring. You can see in this diagram more cable will be utilized. But in this also it is easy to trace out if any fault will be there. It is easily we can trace out the fault. Next we have the mesh topology. Look at its diagram first of all. Anything is clear from this diagram? So read its definition, we will read and discuss. In mesh topology, every node is connected with every other node in the network as shown in the figure. Every node you can see is connected with each and every node on a network. Because of dedicated point-to-point connection between every possible pair of nodes, the topology provides secure data transfer without any traffic problem. In this, if one node is facing problem by in one direction to send the signals or the data, the signal or data can be transmitted through other way also, you can see, because every node is connected with each other. So this is a highly secure computer topology, network topology. Next, we have tree topology. Tree topology is a hybrid topology. Look at this diagram. This is a tree topology. It is in the form of a tree. Tree topology is a hybrid topology using combination of star and bus. This is a combination of star topology and the bus topology. Backbone cable in a bus topology acts like the stem of tree and star network. You can see backbone cable. Damage to a segment of a network laid using tree topology will not affect other segment. If one node we will remove, any node we will remove, it will not affect the network. Installation and configuration is difficult as compared to other topology. You can see its structure. It is difficult to form a tree topology. Its structure is very difficult. So also if the backbone cable is damaged, the entire network communication is disturbed. So backbone cable is the main important. You can see if this cable, there is a fault in this cable or it will be damaged from any point, it can affect the whole network. So thank you. This was all about the topology topic.